Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, this lecture ties everything together beautifully exercise and daily routine. Because here's the truth most behavior problems are not training problems, they are lifestyle problems. Let me ask you, does your pet have a fixed daily routine? Or is it random? Different feeding times, irregular walks, unpredictable playtime. That creates a lot of confusion. Why routine matters? Pets thrive on predictability. When your pet knows when to eat, when to play, when to rest, they feel secure, and a secure pet is calmer and easier to train. Daily exercise is non negotiable, especially for dogs. Exercise helps burn excess energy, reduce destructive behavior, improve focus, and release stress. Whereas a tired dog is a well behaved dog, otherwise, an energetic dog may have a lot of aggression. Cats need exercise too. That's not surprising, right? Everyone needs exercise. Cats may not go for walks, but they need activity, like play sessions, chasing toys, climbing. This keeps them mentally and physically fit. Create a simple daily routine. Here's a basic structure. In the morning, walk or play, feeding, short training sessions. In the afternoon, rest or some light activity. In the evening, exercise, play, training, and feeding. Keep it consistent. Match routine to your pet's energy. Not all pets are the same. High energy pets need more exercise, more stimulation, whereas low energy pets need balanced activity and not overexertion. You need to be super smart in maintaining the balance. Observe and adjust accordingly. Combine exercise with training. Make it efficient. For example, during a walk, practice sit, practice come, and then reward the focus. Now you are training plus exercising together. You need to make a balanced combination of training and exercise. Avoid over exercising. Too much activity can cause fatigue, stress, or in the worst case, some injury. Balance is the key. I am repeating it again and again. You need to maintain the balance, use your mind, and balance it accordingly. End the day with some calm. Before bedtime, keep things relaxed, light interaction, calm environment. This improves sleep and behavior. Right now, think about your pet's daily schedule. Ask yourself, is it consistent? Is there enough activity? Is there any improvement which you can do? Routine creates stability. Exercise releases energy, and together they create balance. And here's something powerful a well structured day means a well behaved pet. Because your pet doesn't just need training sessions, they need a lifestyle system. In the next lecture, we'll talk about grooming and hygiene training. This keeps your pet healthy and comfortable. So build that routine, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lecture. As always.